Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I am going to be doing a Upart wig install with Asteria hair. This is going to be on their Kinky curly unit in 16 inches. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get straight into this video. So like I said, we are working with Asteria hair today, and this is on their Kinky curly Upart wig. And if you guys are OGs to my channel, you know that I love Upart wigs. They were like my starter when it came to playing around with wigs and stuff. So this is a nice little kinky curly texture. The hair density is 180, so let's go ahead and open her up and see what she's looking like. Take off this net. I love a good natural hair curly unit because they are very versatile. So this is basically like natural texture or like wash and go texture, that nice kinky curly look. If you wanted to, you could also do a braid out with this, twist out, bantu knots, flexi rods. You could straighten the hair. That's why I say I love curly units, because they're very versatile and you can just do different looks. So this is a close-up of what the hair texture is looking like. And like I said, it is a Upart, so it has that U shape, and you are going to be leaving out some leave out of your real hair with this. So you want to make sure your real texture is similar to Kinky curly. It has the clips on the side so that it can be nice and secure, and then the adjustable band on the back. So for this style, I did go ahead and just kind of shape my leave out in a U shape, and you always want to make sure you leave out enough hair so that you can perfect this style. And then I also always just do 2 braids, and then I crisscross them in the back to make sure they are nice and secure. And then underneath my wigs, I always love to keep them healthy and growing, and I always use my Lavish Curls hair growth collection. It's from my business. It's always linked in the description box below. I always highly recommend to use my products along with wigs so you have nice healthy hair care. Also included with this wig is a cute little scarf to wrap around your head, or like a headband scarf. And then we have a wig cap. We also have, ooh, I love getting baby hair brushes. Like, does anybody else run through baby hair brushes like crazy? Because I do. Oh, this is an edge melt band. I've never had one of these. Okay, cool. I always wanted one, like, to help lay down your edges. That's cool. And then we have a pair of lashes. So let's go ahead and just get into installing this hair. And I always get questions of like products to use. You want to use the same type of products that you would use on your natural hair, but we're going to go ahead and just cut this part so that we can install it. Okay, so I went ahead and just cut the strap that was in the middle, and I'm going to go ahead and undo the clips. And then I'm going to go ahead and just already tighten the band in the back.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it.
Okay, so far the construction feels very, very secure. It fits my head really good. Nice and tight, but not too tight to the point that it's uncomfortable, you know? And I like that the back is actually a clip instead of just like the combs, because sometimes when there's combs in the back, it doesn't feel as secure. Like, I like that it clips on and it doesn't feel like this hair is going nowhere. So this is what it's looking like on fresh out the box. I like that it hits my shoulders because I don't like super short hair on me. So let's go ahead and get into blending. Move that just a little bit closer. Okay, so for my leave out, I'm gonna go ahead and just do a middle part. And usually with Upart wigs, you can switch up your parting and do like a side part if you want to. So we're gonna do middle part. And if you are somebody that has a hard time with blending your real hair with like U-parts, my tip is always to tuck the hair, which I might do today. I usually will do like a tuck method, so we'll see. But my leave out is straight right now. Some of it's straight because I was wearing a V-part, so we're gonna go ahead and just wet my hair. Of course, I feel like this blending process would be easier if your real hair was already freshly washed. So I do recommend that you freshly wash your hair. But I did put enough leave out. We gotta get my hair a second to revert. And I'm also gonna spray the wig.
And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe.
But honestly, I really love how the Kinky Curly is looking. Like, it has a really beautiful texture. The hair felt nice and soft. So far, no complaints. And like I said, I love how the clips are and they feel nice and secure. Okay, hair is still definitely taking a second to revert, but we're going to get into the styling process. For this style, it's basically going to be like wash and go style. I am going to be using this curling custard. It is coming soon to my business, Lavish Curls Beauty. Just a curl defining gel, basically. You can use any curl defining gel that you want, or you can use a curl defining cream. It just depends on your preference of how you like your wigs to look. I like a little bit more hold and definition because the softer like creams don't really give your hair much hold and definition, so I prefer more of a gel or a custard when it comes to styling my. Okay, sorry guys, somebody had like rung my doorbell. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead, next side of the hair. So I'm kind of just focusing on defining the curls in the front of my hair, you know, my actual leave out, getting that defined. And then what we're gonna do is also work this curling custard into the actual wig hair. So as y'all can see, my curling custard really helps with getting your curls nice and defined, and it's going to be good for wigs too. So if you're looking for a product for wigs, your curly unit wigs, Lavish Curls is going to have you good. Like, look at that. Back up some so y'all can see a little better. Yeah, Lavish Curls is going to have y'all good. And it's going to help keep your wig nice and moisturized and, you know.
Baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will.
So yeah, I just use the raking method. And if you guys wanted to, you could always like braid your real hair, braid the wig, and then do a nice braid out look. So like I was saying, like you could really do different looks and just have the wig looking popping. So the top looks pretty good. It's already nice and flat. I'm just making sure my leave out is extra smooth. So this is what it's looking like. Should I add baby hair? I feel like I've kind of been released from the shackles of baby hair. I don't do baby hair as much anymore, but this is so cute. I think it looks really good because the front of my natural hair is shorter, so it kind of gives a layered appearance, which I really like. I love the length. 16 inches is perfect. I feel like it's blending pretty good. Should we do baby hairs? For the sake of the video, let's just do it. So I have my baby hair brush already, and I'm just going to use some Style Factor Edge Booster Gel. This is going to be like the perfect summer wig. And if you guys didn't know, like if you have a Upart wig, you can turn it into like a half wig and do like half up, half down styles if you know how to like clip it along your hair and leave it out. I think I'm gonna have a tutorial on my channel of how to do that, so make sure y'all look at that. If not, there are definitely tutorials on YouTube, but I've taken half wigs before and just flayed them. And I think today too, I want to just leave the hair out and do like a wet wash and go look. If you guys are new, then you know I don't really care for super big hair and big curls. I like a nice defined, stretched out look, because I have a round face and I just don't like when my hair is extra big and my face is already kind of round. Okay. I feel like we can definitely shake this out some. Just make it slightly bigger. It's gonna dry, of course, more. For now, this is what it's looking like. It looks super good. I highly recommend that you guys check out Asteria hair, because this hair is really, really gorgeous. Nice spring summer unit coming up, but one of those all year round units for us curly girls. And it's a quick little routine, so if you don't feel like doing your full wash day with your own hair but you still want curly hair, do this. Leave out a little bit of hair, blend it, and you are good to go. So I will have all their information linked in the description box below. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below also to like your thoughts on this hair. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.